Hello everyone, welcome to TeamLevel's channel. And today in this video I'll show you how to fix Rocket League not responding error. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel, then hit subscribe button and also like the video. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So first of all, go to Task Manager and follow every step with me. So if you followed all steps, hope so your issue is fixed. So that's all for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to TeamLevel's channel. Thank you for watching.